Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to make an origami spinning top. This is a model that isn't too difficult to make, just requires a little attention and a few steps. In order for it to spin, you also have to use, in addition to paper, a toothpick or any small cylinder. To make the main part, you'll need a square piece of paper. Our first step is to fold it in half along both diagonals. So bring one corner to the other, crease it very well, unfold, fold the opposite diagonal, unfold this one too, then turn the paper over. Now we need to fold it in half, horizontally and vertically. Start by folding the bottom side to the top, then unfold, and fold the right side to the left. Unfold this one as well, and turn it over again. Now, using the creases we just made, bring the four corners towards the center, closing the paper like this. Now we have our base. For the next step, we're going to have to create two new diagonals. To do this, start by bringing the right side to the middle, then bring the left edge to the middle as well, unfold both sides. Now open the paper on the first layer, and using the creases we made, bring both sides to the middle, closing the paper like this and creating a new flap. Reinforce everything very well. Then turn the paper over and repeat the same step on the other side. Again, we need to bring both sides to the middle, unfold, open up the first layer, and bring both sides to the middle, creating a new flap. For the next step, we're going to need to close the front side, the back as well. Once done, we need to fold the two other flaps up, trying to align them with the others. Now pay close attention to the next step. This one's a bit trickier. Slightly open one of the flaps, like this, and bring this middle crease to this line at the bottom. To make this step easier, you can reinforce the middle crease first, then carefully bring it down until the line I showed, and flatten the paper to fold it into place. Now repeat on the next flap. Open it slightly, bring the crease down, then do the same with the third one. And the same with the last one. With that done, this is the result. Now flip it over and fold these remaining tips, closing one on top of the other. To do this, fold the first one like this, then put the tip in the middle of the next one. Repeat the same step with the second tip. Then with the third one. And finally with the fourth. Now we have our paper spinning top. The only thing left is to insert a stick or any small cylinder to make it spin. So, carefully insert the stick in the middle, in the small existing hole, and the paper toy is ready. Now we just need to spin and have fun. Thank you very much for watching, see you in the next video.